Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rajesh. Today my topic is what is class in Java? What is a class in Java? Syntax of class. What is the class? Syntax of class. Class, class name, open bracket, flower bracket, data types. These are user defined or predefined. Data types, function, functionality, functionalities, main method, main method. Class name, data type, functionality, main method. Syntax of class. Class is user defined data type. Class is user defined data type which contains data and functionality. Which contains data and functionalities. That means class contains data and functionality. It is non-static data. Class will act for the base for encap. Class will act for the base for encapsulation. And encapsulation is used to represent the object. Represent with object. Encapsulation is means used to bind data with related functions. Let us take one example on class. Open notepad. Class name cdemo1. C should be capital letter. Int I comma j. Int I equal to 1. J equal to 3. These are non-static members. Void function 1. I am defining function 1 now. Open bracket. System dot out dot println. Function 1 of cdemo1. I am writing one message to print in console at console. System is a capital letter. First letter S is a. I am defining main method. I am defining main method. Public static void main bracket string args array. String S is a capital letter. Main method to execute our logic, our class. Execution starts from main method. I am creating object to load non-static members from bytecode to RAM. Showing diagram. In paint, this is a cdemo1 object. Now I will show object. Object is loaded non-static members dynamically from bytecode to RAM at runtime. Means object program execution time. Main method. Object is assigned to reference variable. CDemo1 object. This is CDemo1 object assigned to reference variable C1. I will access system.out.println C1.I system.out.println C1.j to print on console j equal to 3. C1.function1 to load function1 from bytecode to RAM. C1.function1 to load non-static members from bytecode to RAM. C1.function1 to load function from bytecode to RAM. Sorry. Whenever I called C1.function1, function1 is loaded from bytecode to RAM. After defining function using object, I will access system.out.println C1.I system.out.println C1.j. System.out.println C1.I system.out.println C1.j. Output will be SOP function1 of CDemo1 C1.I 1 C1.j 3. Close main, close class. File, go to save menu. Save cdemo1.java. Go to file location. .java file is generated. In the search box, type cmd to convert into .class file machine understandable language. Syntax is to convert to .java to .class file. Javac class name .java. Javac class name cdemo1.java. To execute Java CDemo1. .class file is generated to execute Java CDemo1.